So the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is one of my favorite phones, and it's one of Samsung's best devices. The hardware is great. The performance is awesome. The cameras are top notch. Listen, we've recently received information that the Galaxy Note 20 series of devices is not on the list to receive Android 14, but it will still receive security patches, which is really good there, right? You know, got Android 13 and won't get Android 14. I still believe that's a mistake. Well, some of the users that received the June 2023 security patches is killing some of the devices. That's right, unusable. Let me explain. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Zach back with another video. So some Galaxy Note 20 Ultra users are experiencing green and pink lines going across their displays, which makes it unusable to use. That's pretty much killing your device, right? Now, after they received their June update, according to Sam Mobile, some users are experiencing some horrible issues with their displays. Now, Samsung hasn't acknowledged these issues as of me recording this video, but a user was able to get the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra display fixed for free, even though the user was out of warranty. So, look, even though Samsung hasn't acknowledged the issue, but they know that it's real. Look, I've updated my Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. I haven't had these issues, but it's good to know that it's a possibility that if you update your device, you might have this issue. Now, I know a lot of people want fast updates. I know a lot of people push for updates, but this update may not be the best update for some people. So it's good to see that Samsung care about users and replacing their displays for free. Listen, I will leave the link to the article down in the description. I would encourage you to read the whole thing. Now, I remember a few years back that I had an issue with my MacBook not turning on. And I brought it to the Apple store for repair. And I knew that I was out of warranty. And I knew that I would have to pay for it. And the sales associate told me to come back the next day, which was 24 hours later. And I went back to the Apple store, and it was fixed. And it was no charge. So that was a good thing. I also had an issue with my daughter's iPhone. And, after she tried to do an OTA update, and it also had an issue, and I brought it to Apple and they fixed it for free, even though that phone was out of warranty. So sometimes it's not all bad when it comes down to these companies. Look, I know we hold their feet to the fire for all the bad stuff, but we got to compliment them for some of the things that they do fix. Look, I know Samsung and Apple do have a lot of issues, but there's light at the end of the tunnel sometimes. Listen, having local stores and authorized repair places such as U-Break, iFix help the repair experience. So you know what? That's a good thing. Listen, did you update your Galaxy Note 20 Ultra to the June 2023 security patch? And is your device still working great? Do you have any display issues or any other kind of issues? Leave your comments down below. Let me know. And you know what? On a side note, I believe that Samsung should support the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and the Galaxy Note series of devices. They're very powerful devices. They're very good. And plus, that's the last Note series, right? With the name Note series in the title. Even though we got the Galaxy S22 Ultra and the Galaxy S23 Ultra with S Pen inside of the devices, but they're not the Notes. Even though it's the name difference and stuff like that, I believe that Samsung should update the Galaxy Note 20 series of devices for at least another year or two. They should be able to get Android 14 and Android 15. They should be able to get One UI 6 and the one after One UI 6. I believe that these devices is very special to some users. Man, but Samsung, unfortunately, did not jump on the 4 to 5 year bandwagon of supporting updates until like the Galaxy S22 or the Galaxy S21. Well, listen, leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, one of my favorite phones, but man, It just these display issues and funky software issues, man. Samsung just have to do better. But I also remember that, back when the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra came out, I did hear somewhere that they did have some display issues. But I believe that this issue that people having with their displays is a software issue. Somehow it's breaking the display. I don't know. But I will leave the article down in the description below if you want to check it out. This is Eric. See you guys on the next video. Peace.